I have this thing going through my mind that how it's always been the first day of your office when you are joining life insurance. Well, my experience was very unique. I was hired by my group manager, and the first day I reached office and I was very excited and always really looking forward that I am going to do this and I am going to do that. And I was, before my day started, I was into the training session for all the products and everything. And then when my first day came, and then I reached there, and I was like full of enthusiasm, and I met my reporting manager and told him that I am going to do this and I am going to do that, and it was all very compelling, but it was a failure. So I have decided to make this video related to that how should be your one day at your life insurance work. The day including your meetings, including the time you spend at your office, or during the day what you should be doing. In my 22 years experience, I think that you should reach office in time. You must attend the morning session. There is always a morning session going on in the life insurance companies, all the branches. The morning session gives you a certain amount of boost that is always missing from all the tough fatigue day time that you are spending in certain amount of issues related to your family or related to your finances or so many other things, or other liabilities or burdens, or your family issues, or the broader perspective of the family issues. You might be hearing some news or something like that. So the morning session actually gives you a boost of breakfast. I call it always a boost of breakfast because it will give you the focus that next 6 to 7 hours of my life I am going to do this. Out of that, in my yesterday's meeting, I was talking about that you have to focus on only 1.5 hours. That was actually related to the physical meetings conducting. Now you must segregate your time and evaluate your time. At what time, what major aspect of your daily routine is going to be very important. First hour, if you are having a 1 hour morning session in your branch, or they are having a 30 minutes morning session in your branch, take that and then sit with your colleagues, absorb it on daily basis, think about what the speaker said and learn from it. Even if you are a 20 years old experience, even if I go to my morning sessions, even now I try to get something positive out of that. That is very important. Discuss with your colleagues what is your today's routine, what are you going to do today. So it will make you realize, and it will make you feel like you are sitting in one of you. You are sitting with people who are like one of you. You are not sitting with aliens. You will not feel alone. This is also a very important aspect of your whole day, that you feel like I'm not alone. So many people, if you are having an issue related to not getting the meetings, if you hear that so many people are also not getting the meeting, you will realize that I'm not the only one who is having these issues. So you guys can go to your group manager or your branch manager and ask them to conduct a session for training, that why we are not getting the meeting, what kind of answers you are getting on phone, and what kind of reservations you are receiving on the phones for not giving you the meeting, so that they can address it, and then you can get the meetings, start getting the meetings, things like this. One thing. Then I think you should start making the calls. Open your diary, whether it is your first day or it is your 20 years after day. You should spend 1 hour, only 1 hour for the calls. Open your computer, go to Google or any search engine, find the most happening business of that time. I suggest you. Nowadays, due to Corona, the delivery companies or the food companies are very happening nowadays. You can find the delivery company owners or the restaurants or hotels, they are very hot at this moment. So try to reach those people. Just giving you an example. Rest of the people like medicine companies are also very rich nowadays. Everybody is looking forward to their health and all things like this. So they are also a very good important aspect. Lawyers, doctors. I am actually going to conduct a video for that will give you a universal 45 professions that will always buy your policy. I will make a video for that also. So do this. Make 1 hour for your cold calling. Even if you have the referrals and everything, keep them for next 1 hour. For 1 hour, focus on your cold calling. Do this every day from 10 to 11 or 9 to 10 or whatever the timing that you can match. But after spending time with your friends in the branch, spend 1 hour on cold calling. This is very important. After that, look for the if you have any technical things that needs to be done related to any of your clients, they need any alteration or things like this needs to be done by your side. You have to deliver some documents, things like this. Do that and then confirm your meetings and leave for the meeting. After these cold calls till the lunch time or prior to that, do your outdoor work. This is what I am trying to advise you. And then after that, when you get back to office, then make the referrals phone calls, because at that time in the evening, all the people are done with the work. They are done with everything. When you give them a call and call them through a reference, they will definitely listen to you. Okay, and then they will really pay attention to what you are saying. And if you are asking for the appointments, they will give you the appointments. If you are asking for something else or anything related to your work, then they will pay attention to that also. So this is how you cater your day. That's all I wanted to say related to one day. Thank you so much.